And then I have to sneeze. Excuse me. Okay, I think we're done sneezing. And then, yeah, we'll see how everything goes from there. So let's see. Okay, that means next time I record will be either Thursday the 12th or Friday the 13th. Yes. One more sneeze. Not been feeling great.